Brixton Motorcycles has officially launched the much-anticipated 2025 Cromwell 250, a bike poised to redefine the mid-range segment with its retro styling, advanced technology, and superb performance. As mid-range bikes gain popularity among urban riders and enthusiasts, the Cromwell 250 emerges as a versatile choice for both novice and experienced motorcyclists seeking a stylish yet practical ride. Key features and performance. The Brixton Cromwell 250 features a sleek design that honors classic cafe racers while integrating modern enhancements. Its lightweight frame and powerful 250cc single-cylinder engine create an ideal balance of agility and power, with the engine renowned for its fuel efficiency and reliability, making it perfect for city commutes and weekend rides. A key highlight of the Cromwell 250 is its advanced LED lighting system, which improves visibility and safety for day and night riding. Additionally, the bike boasts a modern digital dashboard that provides essential information such as speed, fuel level, and trip data in an easy-to-read format. The suspension system is expertly designed for a smooth ride across various terrains, featuring telescopic forks in the front and twin shock absorbers in the rear for optimal handling and comfort, whether in urban traffic or on country roads. The inclusion of anti-lock braking systems, ABS, further enhances rider safety, distinguishing it from its competitors. Target audience. The 2025 Cromwell 250 is targeted primarily at young urban riders and those entering the motorcycle market, appealing to individuals who appreciate both style and practicality. Its retro aesthetic combined with modern performance makes it attractive to a diverse audience, including commuters, weekend enthusiasts, and anyone looking to embrace the freedom of two-wheeled travel without the intimidation often associated with larger bikes. Innovative design elements. Brixton's design philosophy embraces a minimalist approach, evident in the Cromwell 250's clean lines and attention to detail. The bike features a comfortable, low-slung seat that not only enhances rider comfort but also allows for easy maneuverability in city settings. Furthermore, the choice of color options, including classic black, striking red, and elegant silver, provides riders with the opportunity to express their personality and style. Market trends and anticipated success. The mid-range motorcycle market has seen notable growth recently, fueled by urbanization and a shift toward more practical, economical choices. Rising fuel prices and growing environmental awareness are leading more riders to prefer smaller, efficient motorcycles that balance performance and style. The Cromwell 250 is well positioned to tap into these trends, attracting riders who prioritize sustainability, affordability, and design. Brixton's dedication to quality craftsmanship and innovative features ensures that the 2025 Cromwell 250 will exceed its audience's expectations. As it enters the market, the Cromwell 250 is poised to be a major competitor in the mid-range motorcycle segment, appealing to both experienced riders and newcomers. In summary, the 2025 Brixton 250 Cromwell exemplifies the brand's commitment to merging tradition with modernity, making it an appealing choice for those seeking a motorcycle that combines style, performance, and innovation in a competitive market.